In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Weebly in just a couple of minutes. This quick process helps improve your navigation and makes your site easier for visitors to explore. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head to your website dashboard and click Website, then Edit Site to open your editor. Now, go to the page where you want to add your link. This could be a piece of text, an image, or a button you want visitors to click. Click on the element you want to turn into a link. Once selected, look for the chain link icon in the toolbar. This opens the Insert Link window. Inside this window, choose the type of link you want to create. You can link to a standard page on your site, an external website URL, a file you want users to download. Select the option you need, add the required details, and click Done to apply the link. Once everything looks good, click Publish so your new link goes live. And that's it. Your clickable link is now active on your Weebly site. Quick, simple, and effective. Happy editing!